Hey makeup buddies, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel Makeup-vali. From my side, happy Janmashtami. Well, in this video, I will tell you how to achieve this dramatic golden glam look in minimum time without any cut crease, without any jhanjat. So let's begin. So I will start with my brows, and to fill my brows, here I am using Sugar Cosmetic Eyebrow Definer and my shade is Dupe Tone. I really like the formula of this brow pencil. The pigmentation of this brow definer is really good. It also blends really well. So first of all, I will comb my brows from spoolie, and after that I will use this brow pencil to fill the gap of my brows. After using this pencil, once again I will use my spoolie to comb my brows. Now move to eye area. So firstly, here I am using sticky tape. Stick it to the end of my eye for the sharp edges. You can use any kind of tape which will the purpose. I'm taking this jet black eyeshadow in my fluffy brush and place it to my outer V and start blending. After that, I will take this soft shimmery golden eyeshadow from the Lakme 925 palette, placing it to my half of the eyelid. For transition color, I am using these two shades together. These two shades belongs to orange family. Using blending brush to soften it up. Once again, I am applying the same golden eyeshadow over my lid. Removing my sticky tape and see so neat and sharp edges. To conceal my eye area, also to hide my dark circles, I am applying LA Girl Pro Concealer and my shade is pure beige. It blends so quickly, it's amazing concealer. A beauty blender which I am using here is from PAC. This is a mini blender. Set my concealer, plus to save my eyes from creasing, I am using Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and my shade is light to medium. Here I am using Faces Black Coal to my lower lash line, and with the help of flat brush I will smoke it out. I will apply the same kohl kajal to my upper water eye line as well as to my lower water eye line. As you can see, I have left some space to my lower lash line, and to fill that area I am using Makeup Revolution Radiant Brick. Now I'm using the same black eyeshadow and taking it in my flat shader brush and applying it just below the golden eyeshadow in my inner corner. I'm applying the same black eyeshadow in my upper portion in the same way. Now I'm dusting off the excess powder. And to prime my face, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. And for foundation, I'm using Sugar Cosmetic Foundation Stick. It gives you a dewy effect. And my shade is 03. It gives you low to medium coverage. A beauty blender which I'm using here, it's from Puna store. And to highlight my face, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm applying it in my usual areas. and I'm blending it with a mini sponge. And to set my face, I'm using the same Maybelline Fit Me powder. Now the next step is to contouring. So I will contour on my nose, to my jawline, and little bit to my forehead, my cheekbones. For the blush, I'm using Lakme Absolute Blush Duo. And to highlight my high points of face, I'm using Makeup Revolution Brick Radiant. I will apply it on my usual areas: bridge of the nose, brow bones, forehead. Lipstick shade and brand is Mega Last Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. So this is the final finished look. I hope you like this video. If you like my video, then please hit the like button. Till then, bye bye.